You produce your own food. Why you are going to London, to the factories? There is no need. This is wrong civilization. Here is land. You produce your food. If you produce your food, there is no need of going 100 miles, 50 miles on your motorcycle or motor to earn your livelihood. Why? There is no need. Then you require petrol, and the petrol is scarcity. Then you require so many parts, so many. That means you are making the whole thing complicated. Unnecessary. Unnecessary. There is no need. Simply you keep to the land and produce your food, and the cows are there, they will supply you milk. Then where is your economic problem? If you have sufficient grains, sufficient vegetable, sufficient meat from the land where you are living, where is your economic problem? Why you should go to other place? That is Vedic civilization. Everyone should remain in the spot and produce everything as he requires. And God will help you. Because you can produce from the land anywhere. The rainfall is there. If you have got land and the rainfall is regular, then you can produce anything. Kamam, vavarsa, parjanyad. And how the rainfall will be possible? How regular rainfall? That is described in the Bhagavata. Yajnad bhavati parjanyad. Parjanyad anna-sambhavah.